class, I'll be showing the effect of price floor as one of the types of price control on the market. Let's say we have a market that is in equilibrium. So we have the draw, our demand and supply curve. Here we have the price and we have the quantity. This is the origin. Okay. Let's say we have our supply curve from here and we have our demand curve here. Okay. When the market is in equilibrium, we have the price PE and the quantity QE. That is the equilibrium quantity. Let's assume government fixes the price above the equilibrium. So when the price is fixed above the equilibrium, that is what is called a price floor. So we also call it the minimum price legislation. So price floor is equivalent to minimum price legislation. Minimum price legislation, that is price floor, okay, and it's always set above the equilibrium. If the minimum price is set below the equilibrium, it's not going to be effective. So it has to be set above the equilibrium. Okay. Now let's assume this is the equilibrium price, and the price that is obtained in the market. Both the buyers and the sellers are happy here. But government is trying to protect the seller and say, okay, let me fix the price above the equilibrium. Let's say the government fix the price here and say, do not sell the goods at this price, but sell at this price. So I call this price P max. So P main minimum. Okay? P main minimum. Okay. You can see at this point and in the equilibrium here, demand, the quantity demand is equal to quantity supply. That is, at this point we have QS equals QP. For immediate government, the immediate government legislates that the price will be set above the equilibrium. You can see that here we have the quantity demanded, okay, reducing from QE, so we create to Q1 here. While the quantity supply has increased from QE here, let's say to Q2. Okay. You can see that we have a gap from this point A to point B here. Okay. This gap represents what is known as excess supply. So excess supply here is the gap between A and B here. The gap between A and B represents excess supply. So the equation is that whenever government fixes the price above the equilibrium, okay, the result is going to be the excess supply in the market. In other words, the quantity supply is going to be greater than the quantity demanded in the market. So, in summary, the effect of minimum price, or what is known as price floor, on the market is that there is going to be excess supply. Don't forget to drop your comment, like the video, and share the videos to benefit others. Thank you. See you in the next video.